Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to find someone on the Viber Android app. Without any further ado, let's get started. So the first method to find someone on Viber is pretty straightforward. At the top of your screen, you'll see a search icon. Go ahead and tap on it. This search function is your primary tool for locating contacts, whether you already have their number saved or you're looking for someone new to connect with on the platform. Once you tap the search icon, a search bar will appear on your screen. Tap on this search bar to activate your keyboard. Now, you can input either the phone number or the name of the person you're trying to find. This flexibility makes it easy to search for contacts in whichever way is most convenient for you at the moment. After you've entered the information, the app will process your search and a result will appear below. If the person you're looking for is on Viber and matches your search criteria, they'll show up here. You can then tap on their profile to view more details or start a conversation with them directly. Now, let me show you the second method for finding someone on Viber, which is particularly useful when you're meeting someone in person. Go back to the main screen and at the bottom of your interface, you'll see several options. Tap on More to access additional features that aren't immediately visible on your home screen. Once you're in the More section, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen. You'll notice a QR code icon there. Tap on this icon to activate Viber's QR code scanner feature. This is one of the quickest ways to add someone when you're physically near them, as it eliminates the need to manually type in phone numbers or search for usernames. Your camera will now open automatically, ready to scan. Position your phone so that the other person's Viber QR code is visible within your camera frame. The app will automatically detect and scan their QR code, and once it's successfully scanned, you'll immediately find and access their Viber account. This method is especially convenient at networking events, meetups, or when you're simply exchanging contact information with someone new. And that's it. You now have two efficient methods to find and connect with people on Viber, whether you're searching remotely or meeting someone face-to-face. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.